The state's returning fire in court over the Clean Air Act lawsuit filed by Gordon-Darby, the company that handled New Hampshire's auto inspections emissions testing. Attorney General John Formella is asking for a federal judge to stay in order to resume inspections. Gordon-Darby, which is headquartered in Kentucky and owned by a Swedish vehicle diagnostics company, is also asking the state to be held in contempt for not complying with that order. Now, the AG makes very few public comments about this case. Back in February, he did ask counselors to support a temporary emissions testing program to help avoid potential penalties from EPA or the court. That was a move the council ultimately rejected.
There is a risk that either the EPA, but more importantly the court, would view us as having taken the steps we need to take under the order issuing a preliminary injunction, but find it necessary to impose other consequences on the state, like civil penalties. I mean, that's possible. That's a possible alternative consequence for the state if we have a period of time in which we're not in compliance with the Clean Air Act. I can't say that for sure, but I just want to be clear on the record here that we are not saying that we are confident either that there will be no consequences if this contract is voted down. Not necessarily because the judge would say we're in contempt, but because we can convince the court that it's not possible to comply with the injunctive relief she granted, that there may be an alternative, a consequence imposed. That's possible.
So we will see if last month's warning from the AG about potential consequences comes to pass. Meantime, the legal wrangling will continue.